Hi everyone, this is Team 3. Our project is Founded, and in this sprint review tool, we'll walk through our core functionalities and Firebase integration. So as you can see, when the app launches, the user first sees the splash screen and the Get Started button, and then we can go through this onboarding screen, and we finally land to this login screen. And if the user hasn't created an account, they can create an account and I've already created one. So I'll just directly go to sign in. So here I can put in my email and my password, and it has all the authentication done using Firebase Auth. And if it's a wrong password, you can see that it catches that. And once I'm logged in, you can see my username and the name pop up uh, on the screen. Divya?
You land on the home screen, it shows your name and email on the top, and there is this banner prompting you to post any lost or found items. Below that, the recent listings are shown as card. Each one has a photo or lost or found tag, the date where it was last seen, and all of this data are being fetched from our database in real time. So whatever get post shows up here automatically on refreshing. Next, you can use search or use the filter to narrow things down by lost or found. And we are going to use we are going to add category and date in the latest sprint. Now to report something, you tap report, fill out a quick form, lost or found, category, date, photo description, and location. That's displayed in the home page. If you need to update or remove a post, you can edit or delete it after pressing the long press. And you can also delete it straight from the listing. After that, the Explore page is the See All page, where we can tap on the See All, and it's a full feed, same time real time data, and you can switch between all items, lost items, and found items.
Hi everyone, so let me demonstrate the messaging feature that we have. So this is the inbox that we have. There's two ways you can come here. The first is just by pressing the chat button here in the navbar. The other is suppose if you find an item here, so maybe this AirPods was yours, you could just go to the take action, which will open the chat for with the campus police. So you could type here, "Hi, this is mine," and you could send it. And similarly, you could also attach a picture, so like this. So and then if you go to the chat, you could see for the AirPods we have this. Similarly, suppose uh, we I had a chat where I sent a message to the campus police, and in the document in our database I have the database data set up. So let me save this one, and you could see it comes over here. So I just like role played as the police officer here with the database, but this is how our messaging works. Our profile page is set up, but it doesn't have any functionality yet, which we will do it in the next sprint. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Rohan, and those were all the features that we worked on for Sprint 2. Now I'm quickly going to go over our Firebase. For the authentication, we're using Firebase authentication, but we're also storing the user data in user collection because in our app there's going to be admin and normal user, and to know which users are admin, we're storing the isAdmin bool flag here. And for the chat, as Aaron already went over them, we have chats and messages as the soft collection, the items collection, the post collection, and the user collection. And we're also using Firebase storage to store the images from the chat and from the post. So these are all the things that we're doing right now with Firebase for this app, for this sprint. And these are all the things that we worked on for sprint 2, and in the next sprint we'll be working on expanding the features, implementing the supplemental features, and fixing some known bugs in our apps.